your living and dining space, which is in rectangular way. Comes up with anti-skid flooring with a bed space in the center of the room over here. And yes, imagine living in a 200-acre of prestige township where luxury, lifestyle and daily convenience exists in one address. This is Prestige City by Prestige Group located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetil, and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of Prestige City. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project. So I'm standing just in front of the marketing office. So here's the marketing office of our project where you can check out the 3D model, the miniature, the model flat as well, and just behind me is the main entrance for our marketing office, and this entrance will lead you towards the main entrance of our township. And the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is in progress. Now I know you guys are wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee, unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And Prestige City is 200 acres of integrated township, which has multiple residential clusters. One of them is Prestige Eden Park. Prestige Eden Park is spread across 7 acres of land parcel, consisting of 4 residential towers, each rising from 2 basement ground plus 28 floors and 37 floors, offering you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium homes. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse as Eden Club with infinity pool, indoor amenities. You get amphitheater, multi-purpose court, skywalk and many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located on Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing near the land parcel of Prestige Eden Park, and just behind me is the land parcel where the construction work is in progress. Now this road will take you towards the main entrance for our township and will connect you towards the Sarjapur Road. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Ambalipura Sarjapur Road in just 1.6 kilometers away. DMart is 4 kilometers and Azim Premji University, that is just 6 kilometers away from our project. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1387 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at your model flat, and here's the main entrance of your house. So this is how your main entrance will be, and this main entrance will lead you towards your living and dining space, which is in rectangular way. And now let's focus upon your living area, where they have done a beautiful interior for your reference with the sofa set, the couches and even a TV unit space like this. This living area has a perfect connecting balcony. So this is the connecting balcony. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, 3-side cupboard with iron railing, and you can enjoy a perfect view from this balcony. About your dining space, so once you move inside over here, this how your dining area will be. You can easily set your 6, 8 or 4-seater of dining table. Now about the kitchen. So your dining area is very near to your kitchen area, just opposite side. And this is your perfect kitchen area. Comes up with anti-skid flooring. And there is much more space in the kitchen area. The space is managed in the way that you can easily fit in your parallel platform, and there is ample of space in the center. And you can even add up your cabinets, your white goods like this. Additionally, here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And over this side is your attached dry balcony, that is your utility space with anti-skid flooring, provision for your machine and half-wall structure. Now about your bedroom space. So all the 3 bedrooms are on the one side of the house. So you have to walk through your living and dining area. Take this passage area. So once you enter the passage area, your common washroom is right over here. So due to some reason, the washroom has been closed down over here. But this washroom comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Your bedroom number 1 is just opposite to your common washroom. So once you step inside, you can have a look at the space. Comes up vitrified flooring. Here's a bed space in the center of the room. and a perfect huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Just opposite to it is the wardrobe space. You can add up a wardrobe, your dressing area right this side. Talking about the TV unit, even you can add up a TV unit this side. Now about the another bedroom. So once you step outside, your bedroom number 2 is just beside. So this is your bedroom number 2. Comes up with a foyer area for your privacy and a spacious room. This room is much more spacious as compared to bedroom number 1. And you can have a look, there's ample of space to move around in the room. Here's the bed space in the center, a perfect window that gives you perfect natural light. Now you can even add up your wardrobe like this over this side. Now let's quickly move out and check out your master bedroom again, which is beside this room. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features you get under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now just follow me and we'll explore your master bedroom. So this is how your master bedroom will be. With a bed space in the center of the room over here. And yes, not just a window, but a perfect sit-out area. Here's the sit-out area with anti-skid flooring, iron railing and with 3-side cupboard. Just opposite to it is the wardrobe space. You can add up a huge wardrobe and a dressing area over this side. And about the washroom. So this is the master washroom. Again, it is closed down for some reason, but it comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So everyone, this was all about your 3 BHK sample flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Prestige Group's project. Have you checked another project with Prestige Group? If yes, then do again let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow, subscribe Housey. Additionally, if you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.